So in video 2, we're going to talk about boosting your immune system. So in the last video, we talked about the warning bells, and now what we're going to talk about is observing your body and tuning into your body. So let's just talk about your appetite. Do you have a low appetite where you're really not that interested in food? Or do you feel like you're one of those people that feel hungry all the time? So today we're going to talk about the low appetite. And the low appetite and its connection to boosting your immune system. If you have a low appetite, then that means that your body is overwhelmed. Your nervous system is overwhelmed. You're stuck in a fight or flight. You're not getting the signals from your head down your nerve to your stomach. So we have to turn that on. How we do that is in Ayurveda, a very simple and food medicine approach, which is that we grate ginger, we put a pinch of ginger, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of lime, and we take that before lunch and dinner. And what that does is it boosts it's a catalyst for making the metabolism turn on. And then that gives us, and then we want to have, then our appetite comes up just a little bit and we eat, and then that helps digest. But there's a caveat there, and that is that the number one absolute technique to help you get over having a low appetite is that you must eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner about in the same time zone. So breakfast has to be somewhere like 10, between 7 in the morning or 6 or 5, whenever you wake up for getting on with your day, and not after 10. And lunch has to be somewhere between 12 and 3, and dinner has to be somewhere between 4 and 7. So those are when you train the body and bring it back into a normal habit, number one, you give it the ginger, lime, and salt to turn it on. And number two, you give it food about approximately the same time every day, 3 times a day. It turns the body on and naturally aligns it to the circadian cycle, which is the circadian cycle is the 24-hour cycle from the beginning of sunrise to the sunset.